FOMC tomorrow as well, and some big things coming.
We almost had 26,100 though. We're 2650. 47. Yesterday I didn't see any big buying on the Nasdaq contracts, just saying. But we are seeing quite a lot of buying on the MNQ. So looks like not institutional driven for the time being. But that big consolidating area that's had not breaking down on the daily is typical to institutionals adding size though, I'm gonna say. Because I've seen that 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Trying to break down. See buying. Yeah. Looks has potential to take all-time high, I guess. But yeah. My bearish bias is. Do I still stick with it, Alex?
I don't know. Do you? I like 700 in my opinion for a SPY. Nice level. Nice round level.
I got a job offer today. This is crazy. Or like, just I invested in small cap stocks in COVID. Like I said, Alex, you heard me talking about it.
Yep.
And a big owner of a small company that I had a good contacts with, because he had good contacts with the CEO. So we spoke a lot, him and me, and like we did some. We met some in Stockholm, and we had contact last like 2 years ago, and he contacted me because they have an energy drink company that he owns like 50% of.
Oh, wow.
It's like Nocco, you know.
Oh, damn.
The energy drink.
Yep.
Latitude 65, you know that, Nordic.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's the main owner of the company, and he said we need a salesperson in Linköping. So I was thinking about you, and I was gonna offer you a job, because I said that I need to hang up because I need to start working again. So I said I will call him later. So we'll see.
Oh, cool.
We will see.
So are you gonna take it, you think?
If it's the right salary and the stuff, 100%. So I think it's gonna be a pretty fun job, and then you can have. It's way more free than working in a factory, you know.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll be driving around and going to different gyms, going to different stores, going through, and it will be.
Oh, true. That fits you as well. You're quite of a gym guy, right?
Yeah, and it's also like more free time. It's like
Yeah.
I'm gonna be the only one.
You're not as strong as me, but are close, right?
Yeah, but I did the Ironman. What have you done? Walked past the block? I'm just kidding.
Me and Nordic walked so much yesterday, so I got blisters under my feet.
Damn. Yeah.
But
no, but I think it can be a good job.
I think Sweet Trader need to walk a little bit more.
Yeah.
No, it was the shoes. They suck.
Nordic, tell me honest, was he fat? No, I'm just kidding.
No. But he has long Pocahontas hair.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
Didn't this Kitty guy also have it? Meme stock Kitty.
Oh yeah. I know
He
you
also
mean
had long hair.
roaring kitty.
Roaring Kitty, yeah.
Yeah.
He also.
True. Maybe some of the wealth is in the hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say everyone Nordic hitted on me the whole walking trip.
Oh.
That's my long hair.
Hitted on me. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, because I went in for the hug, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or was it me? No. Okay, no more gaping. We're not gay. We both have girlfriends.
Yeah. No, I got wrecked yesterday on silver shorts. Do Do not engage.
Silver is,
Well,
I would not
when we
advise
talked
trading
about
silver, I'll be honest.
Crazy.
yeah, but it was like I had so little drawdown. I really shouldn't have touched it with those accounts, and I I almost got the top. Like I had 116.4 entry and still got wrecked. It's actually quite funny when you look at it.
I mean,
Yeah.
I've seen on X people are crying to Topstep that they closed like
Yeah,
silver
yeah,
minis, and it's
yeah,
just like if you're trading a silver mini, like go to Las
yeah,
Vegas or
yeah, yeah.
something. It's like
No,
it's
like the mini is really crazy.
like it's $1,000 per 0-10 move, and this 1
Yeah,
minute candle that I'm watching now, pre-market,
yeah,
is 85 0.7
yeah,
move. So
yeah.
that
I
would be
just
7,000 with 1 minute in 1
yeah,
minute
I just
candle.
I mean yeah, just just really yeah, I just shouldn't have touched the contract yesterday. It's not like I tilted. It's just like I went short one, but it was just too big to handle anyway.
Yeah.
Was just too
I've
big.
seen though a lot of big traders did short losses, like
Yeah,
the short bear. But I've seen also there's a Finnish trader, Jeppe, or
I know
what
him.
he's
Yeah,
called, Jeppes or something. He's
yeah,
done phenomenal the last year, but I saw he took a short yesterday. It was a good
yeah.
short actually, but a lot of people took losses on shorts.
Yeah. Like I mean, I didn't even have 2K drawdown on those accounts. It would have worked out because my entry was like it was good, but yeah, those accounts weren't meant to trade silver at all. Just just not enough drawdown at all.
I will drink my coffee now and be quiet so people don't ask for a refund in this channel. Be right back.
Yeah.
All right. Got 7 minutes here till open. Yeah, tickers, they bounced how I wanted them to. I liked Apple, Microsoft retest. But yeah, we are kind of approaching some resistance. So like, for today, I think it'll kind of make sense to do a little bit of basing, especially since we're back at resistance here on QQQ. Yeah, basically back at 630 on the weekly and daily. So we do have overhead resistance. So we could maybe see a slight pop, maybe a little bit more for upside, and then sell, continue to hold an inside day from yesterday's range. Although, no, we're gapped up. Never mind. We're gapped up. But yeah, I kind of like the spot where we're sitting at now. 650, yeah. We're going to open up at 629 basically, which is right into resistance. So realistically, we actually should sell this open. If we actually want to stay inside structure and then have tomorrow be catalyst to break out. However, with this gap up, it could actually also be just a gap and go. And pull 630 and then just continue to grind. It's definitely possible. On the daily, it doesn't really look extended at all, in my opinion. And then I still want to take a buy on Netflix. So it actually kind of had like a bit of a flag here and then sold down a little bit. So maybe today, if it gives the right entry, I'll take a buy on Netflix today as well.
Just a little pocket money, 100K? Or what size are you thinking?
Yeah, I'll probably do 100K as well. That's kind of what I do for a lot of those smaller long-term or more short-term shares. 20 to 30% return on us, quite decent, especially if I think it's relatively high probability, low risk. I think it's not too much risk for the position.
Kinda like this short here with ES almost testing yesterday's high and then turning pretty quick. Might see a little dumpy on the open.
Yeah, we do have 10 a.m. data today. I don't think we'll really move off of it though, so we should be okay to even trade through it if we need to, but we'll see, I guess.
I see some weakness here overall on the short term here.
Yeah, we
man,
should technically sell the open here. We did tap into 630 resistance there at our overnight high. Yeah, I like the daily. I think it's possible it could be a gap and go. Like based on the daily, it still looks quite strong to me, especially since we gapped up, right? If we
I
actually
agree with
gap
that.
up, we could retest probably like 627, right? Resistance into support, because we're gapped up now, so resistance into support, down to 627, hold, and then we just continue to grind higher. That's kind of my idea here. And that'll be a retest into previous high of day, roughly. We'll basically fill the gap. Yeah, it'll kind of fill the gap from yesterday, or during the overnight session, and then we'll hold that. Probably bounce, and then continue to hold more of an inside day, I think. I think today's range, I think that's probably going to be today's range between like 627 and 630 for today. Unless we clear above 630. So above 630, we'll probably look for most likely all-time high, I think.
Yeah,
Based
I
on the
agree.
bigger time frame. Based on a daily. We need to get a daily close above 630, but daily close above 630, we'll probably look for a new all-time high, I guess. It's the next logical level for me.
I'm not seeing the strength needed just yet here to just continue here for the time being. I think it's possible that we have a inside day backtest that flag and see some buying and then go back to around where we are now or so. We'll see. I'm seeing a lot of selling on the Nasdaq contracts. That's why I'm not seeing any buying there on the pre-market. But it's just pre-market also. So.
Yeah, we're sitting right at 26K right now, so
Yeah,
nice
exactly.
cycle.
Right, the resistance.
Nice little cycle level there.
Sometimes they just shoot right through, though. It's not like always we're gonna see backtest lower, but I think that's the highest probability for me. What I'm seeing lower.
I agree.
First.
Here's open.
Yeah, a lot of selling on the Nasdaq contracts here on the open. Profit taking on the gap up. How was the volatility yesterday? Quite high, right? Because it looks quite high now.
Yeah, it wasn't bad though. It wasn't bad.
I mean, it was kind of a straight long move in the first hour, I would say.
Yeah.
Or like not many points reversals. 30 maybe. Something. Just a slow grind up. Retest of 26k, maybe.
Yeah, we could
For
see
now.
a slight pop a bit higher, then maybe sell, I think, with some tickers. Some tickers still have a little bit of room.
Since I'm buying the other VWAP, it wicked it and so quite decent amount of buying the M&Q contracts here. Oh, this is moving. Yeah, volatile to me. Oh, never mind, it's just 40 points. Looked like a lot
Soft
more.
opening candle there.
Yeah.
Kind of mixed. ES reject yesterday's high a little bit, and the NQ looks like it wants to pop.
Give it time. Give it time off this open. Really would like to see how this structure develops. Starting to cross some tickers here. Nvidia, Microsoft, and Apple. Those were actually the names that I kind of liked. A little bit of a push higher. Nvidia selling though.
Yeah, I see some more selling here on the CVD on the Nasdaq contract here.
Netflix is selling. This actually probably is my buy spot for Netflix. 84. It's not terrible, but maybe if it gets to 83, I'll like it a bit better. Trying to lose view up here though on NQ. Give it time. No need to rush anything.
CFD is lagging. I don't think anyone else traded that except me. And Tim is having problems. I will not trading them. It has freezed like 10 times me already from the open. Maybe Nvidia filled the gap. Not seeing any strength right now on Nvidia though. Microsoft is strong, Apple is strong, but not Meta, Tesla.
The gap fill, if you want to fill it, is going to be basically down to 625.
I'm long from 65.
65.
I don't see any buying yet. Let's see CFD.
There's some strength across tickers, but yeah, I don't see any.
Yeah.
Yeah, for me.
I'm out. I had stop at 46.
Yeah.
Kind of like the ES there, how it showed some strength, but unfortunately did not go.
Yeah, Nasdaq is kind of leading this downside here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Maybe here.
Right to P-Hod here.
Yeah, we should get it here in a second. On
I will
Qs.
write that. It's for me. Oh, yeah,
Qs,
yeah.
we're still waiting. Gonna
I
get
still
it here.
see kind of a lot of weakness. I don't see any buying here on the CVD yet.
You know, this is expected, right? Opened up
Yeah.
into resistance here. This is actually
Yeah,
exactly what we want. This is actually my long area.
Yeah,
So I
profit
think it's
taking, right?
27,
Yeah.
yeah.
No.
So this would be the break and retest of that larger time frame structure. So now that we're actually at the retest of that previous resistance, I would like to see possibly a slight draw below previous hive day here, and then get some direct buying. I don't mind this area though here. I want Nvidia to pull down a little bit lower down to overnight low, possibly previous low of day, then get some buying there. That's the only name that looks kind of weak right now for me. Nvidia support.
Meta and Tesla are selling quite a lot here. They're probably making this most of this downside move here with Nvidia. Supply.
I want one more leg lower.
Four-hour imbalance fill at 913, close to their see that.
Yeah, I kind of want to see like 908, roughly. 907, 908. I think could be nice.
I think it has support here, but ES looks like it had slightly more downside. Not sure if Nasdaq has. I see your case there, fill that imbalance. Bit low there.
Yeah, so this is my kind of direct long area. So I would want to be careful with this volatility here. Could run stops pretty quickly if we actually get some more selling.
Yeah, took out the lot.
Looks like this 5-minute is going to try and hold though. Previous hive day here. Five-minute held. The close. It's not a bad long spot.
Mm.
It actually would have worked. Yeah, Nvidia pulled down to my levels there of support.
Yeah, some tickets were. Yeah, some tickets was nice support there. ES sold one leg lower, but Nasdaq did not there.
Yeah.
Oh. There's some buying on the CVD here. Right to almost to resistance again. 965, 970.
that's kind of exactly what I was looking for. It's unfortunate.
Yeah. It's filled the fingerprint. Maybe it did. No, it didn't. Yeah, 908, 909 there.
Mm-hmm.
I said 8 points more down.
I'm too
So
picky. I'm too picky.
Oh.
No.
I think ES will break through here, potentially.
Yeah, SPY held up nicely there. See how he
Yeah.
closed on a 5. Recapture above that previous hive day. Yeah, just put a new hive day there on SPY. We do have a lower high on the 5-minute though. Very small structure there.
Yeah.
But it is there. Yeah, this would have been my
I'm not-
target here.
Yeah, I'm not convinced with this other target above VWAP here.
Yeah.
This was the nice target, I think. More higher probability.
Yep.
This could still turn out to a higher low here.
Mm-hmm.
Lower high. Depends on Nvidia. Nvidia could still hold here over time though, but things are selling in there on the 85.
Yeah, nothing looks extremely weak yet besides Nvidia and Meta really. But Nvidia is at support. Previous low of day there. If we hold that, tickers retest VWAP. Kind of like we're doing right now. This could be a possible long entry again.
Would it be a lot better with us if ES hold about the VWAP instead of selling the VWAP here? But Nvidia selling the payload here. See if it's just gonna take the liquidity on the left there. We have a slight under here, 185.7 right. Yeah, like 10 cents more to the downside. I want to see the larger structure on Nvidia. I wouldn't say the larger structure on Nvidia looked that bullish, right? Weekly looks kind of good, but no. Still in that head and shoulders on the weekly.
Yeah, it's still in the head and shoulders. We just created, I think the lower high.
The right shoulder. Yeah, the right shoulder, lower high.
Yeah, so popped up, retested the lower high on the daily here, rejected it so far, and just retesting back as support here. Kind of extend it.
Google sold that pop also here. Apple looking strong though, but CVD is showing some type of buying here at the 55s.
I think this could still get held here.
I agree. He has pushed above you up there, right to P-Hod.
I'm long from 49, stop at break even. I have a trim at 87.
I think the 26,013 or above is quite nice target here. Would target that Nvidia holding here and ES is pumping like I'm doing. See higher. I don't dislike this long overall.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, nice entry.
Looks good. Based on tickers here, Nvidia holding up. Should be able to pull 26,000 here, I think. If you actually want to clear view up. We want to see a 5-minute close above view up for me.
All there at 73. I kinda don't like ES turning down again.
Yeah, it's sitting right at P hod here.
Yeah,
We're trying to close above VWAP, but as long as we don't get a close above here, we're not seeing higher.
I would like a
But-
push to 7K even, but I don't know if it will probably happen eventually. But I didn't like,
like
that
it.
it turned down a bit.
I think you're good here.
Just retesting, I guess. But I'm plus like $50.
Nvidia bounced right to VWAP there. Google's are buying also.
Yeah, we should see a push here.
Yeah. Nvidia trying to break above the P hod. Still holding the VWAP here. Yeah. Still holding the VWAP on the Nasdaq. And open price there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Q's VWAP and NQ VWAP are aligned here, which is good. Same with the 9 EMA here as well.
To be honest, the more I think about it, is yeah, we're at those highs right now, but I think with FOMC 26,100 is gonna get taken. Like, I'm not sure we're gonna push that much more higher today.
Yeah, I agree with you. I agree. That long was nice because of ticker supply there, but as long as we don't clear VWAP here, we're not pushing higher. But if we do clear this open price 80, we should see a direct push to 26k here. ES looks good for higher still.
Yeah, everything
A
looks good
touch
here.
of 7K on ES, and that probably rhymes with 26K on NQ as well.
You could potentially target the high of 2613, I think, if you still have some left. But what's super convincing here? But you got almost 30 points on that first team, right? Did you have 45 entry?
I have 49, so I'm out at
no,
73. So
25 points then, right? Yeah, still looking good here. Some buying there on the CVD on the 70s. Going for new NHOD on the CVD, which is a good sign here. How many do we have left?
Trades?
No, do we have any position left?
No, I'm out.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
At 73.
I still think it looks good here for. Yeah.
Yeah, looks
ES 7K here.
nice close on a 5-minute there. We should be able to pull 26k.
I couldn't get the entry there. I was also looking too long there, but I was too slow.
Me either.
I didn't think at the 65.70 was good enough for the 26k there. I think the lower probability of that 15 high.
The only long spot
good.
I liked was that previous low of day or previous high of day. I did see that.
Yeah, you will ride that up to VWAP 97.5. Yeah, 60 points, 70. Yeah. Yeah, but they held beautifully there on the close on the pillar there. Took out that wick on the left also. Yeah.
Nice push here. SPY broke from that 5-minute lower high structure. Might be able to pull overnight high. We have liquidity off the opening candle that we should be able to take out. 612 or 612. 26,012. Jesus. Cannot talk. We do have data at 10. Maybe we should wait for that. I don't think we'll really move off of it, but
Consumers data, right?
yeah.
Consumers.
SLV. What is SLV? Do I know that? Oh, BlackRock. You want a chart analysis or just in general?
We went right to
In
that
general,
area.
In general, I don't know much about it. Silver Trust. Oh, Silver Trust ETF. Oh, I'll be honest. Looking to long silver right now is kind of a not a great idea in my opinion. It's really strong right now, but good.
Yeah, every mom and dad and every people that don't trade invest in silver now in Sweden at least. It's typically a not good sign to buy
Yeah,
if everyone is
I would
bullish
agree
on
with
it.
that.
You kind of missed the move,
Yeah, I think
actually.
the move is
Well,
already
on the
finished.
yeah, at least on the short term frame.
I liked
I mean,
silver when it was sitting at like 50, 60. Actually, when I gave my analysis like a couple months ago.
Yep.
Not even a month, like a month ago or something like that. 2 months ago. Give an analysis on silver at like $50, $60. So that flagpole I actually drew out. Actually, wow, it played out beautifully. Even more.
yeah, thank you. I'm gonna cut a lot of silver and gold on my pension now when we talk about it.
Yeah, I think 100 was a good target for upside. Nice cycle level. I think it was a little underrated. Sitting at 50, 60. So I'm actually glad it pulled up. So it makes sense. But longing up here is a little bit too high for me. If I wanted a retest on silver, I probably want to see at least like 80. 80 I think is decent. And if we can, like 50 to 60 area. Although that'll be a really big retracement. Like trading silver in general right now is just way too volatile. And I think I said that before. Like once we got that break above like 60 and we started getting like moves like basically like $10 increment moves, it got too volatile to trade. So probably not a good idea to invest in something like that. It's more so just a thing to watch for me.
yeah. What about a possible short?
You said, what if you want to possibly short?
Yeah,
Shorting it or long it isn't a good idea based on the volatility, in my opinion.
makes sense.
Here's our overnight high.
Would argue that shorting, yeah, above overnight high here for me. Yeah,
Shorting
for
probably
sure.
is higher
At 50.
probability, but the chance of you getting stopped based on the volatility, I think, is quite high. Especially if you don't have
Yeah,
a lot of
super high.
capital. I think you need to have a lot of capital to trade silver.
I think some people are milking the prop firms with silver, though. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
Getting the right direction.
Yep.
But it's more like gambling, you know. Because you can't even take like one stop, really normal stop.
Yeah, it's a lot of money. The dollar per tick on that is insanely high.
What's the price movement on that? It's like, is it $10 per point, or what was that on silver?
On
I haven't even
silver,
looked.
it is $25 for every 0.005 cents. So not
Oh
even
my
a full
god.
5 cents. So
I'm not looking at it.
yeah, that's
It's on the smallest
That's a lot.
contract. It's $100 per 0.1 on the smallest contract.
Oh yeah, oh my
Hell
god.
yeah.
That's
That
so
ain't too bad.
dangerous.
Yeah. But I think there is a good thing, and in February, a smaller contract is coming. That is gonna be $10 per 0.1 move.
That's still expensive as shit.
That's gonna be great.
what a strong move. I'm kind of sad I missed this.
Yeah, it's fair.
News in like 2 minutes.
I guess I didn't mind a long above view up. The close above view up wasn't terrible. But we also didn't
The
get any
75
retest
area.
at all.
Oh.
Yeah, we didn't get any
Oh.
retest on the close, so it is what it is.
Damn, I just checked. Yeah, that's a strong move. Damn.
That's what.
Yeah, right to overnight high.
Damn.
Mhm.
Very.
100 points.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah. So amazing buying power there on the MNQ contracts and nothing on the Nasdaq ones. It's so weird.
We have all-time high approaching here soon, actually, on SPY. $1 away. Less than $1 away.
Yeah. That's a sharp V. Damn.
Yeah.
Huh.
And Nvidia saw some really nice buying from the P-Lod.
Yep.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm kind of actually quite upset I missed that move. I think I literally said I was like 627 is our long area.
I joined too late to do anything.
Oh, and nicely done, Hugo. Nicely done. Nicely done.
Oh, awesome. Awesome.
I hope they fucking do, Hugo.
2 runners with 73 points. Beautiful.
Wait. Let me see. Oh, damn. Nice.
Hugo, where's the call out?
Oh shit.
I think the break above view up. Oh, nice. Yeah. Fine. I didn't see this trend. I just thought we were gonna take the 26.013 though. I thought it was too little. But it's almost 40 points though. I guess it's me being too picky also. 40, 30, you could have a stop.
Yeah.
50, 50, yeah, 55 would be fine.
Yeah, I think for me, based on tickers, I probably wasn't going to hold for overnight high. I think my final target realistically would have been up to like 26.13. That liquidity at the high of day. I guess you
Yeah,
could maybe
same
see
as
a
me though.
draw above that, but yeah, I don't really see any relative strength across tickers. It's mainly Nvidia, AVGO leading this, but besides that, nothing's really pushing, in my opinion. Nice strength though. Good strength.
Yeah. Quick note about the silver contracts. Yeah. So like as Alex was saying, the regular silver is $25 a tick, but the micro silver is $5 a tick, and then the new one will be nano silver, which is 50 cents per tick. So I
Yeah.
think many of us are waiting for the nano contracts to come out.
Yeah. The new one is gonna be great, I think. It will come out February 9th on CME, but I don't know for those that trade prop, it might take longer.
We had data, I just realized. We didn't even move.
Mm.
Not surprised. Not a surprise.
Putting up a 1 minute flag.
Yeah, it looks like it. I'd prefer to short this, but I also don't want to really go against this. I like the R to R, but the move that I was kind of thinking of already happened. Yeah, because we had initial resistance from however long ago, whatever it was. X amount of months, like 2 months or so, 3 months. We had to gap up above that level, retested 627, held, bounced, and now we're trying to make the break above 630. So once again, daily close above 630, most likely we pull for all-time high. Oh, I don't even want to think about that option swing. I was thinking about taking like last week. Oh my goodness. I think that was like at the very low. The low of last week.
By the way, the dollar is so bad. My God.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, I'm losing so much money because of that.
Yeah. But if you
What are
zoom
you
out,
guys doing?
it's not like.
No, it's just into the normal range.
Yeah, exactly.
No. But we lost a long-term trend channel.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was worried there for a while, like at the 11, that it was never gonna come back.
No, I liked 11. Let's go for 20.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, because for us, it's our
Yeah.
payment is a lot bigger.
Yeah,
I
I
mean,
know.
I have reduced 15% in payments because of that.
Yeah.
Oh.
It might go even lower, to be honest.
Yeah, I think so too. I think Trump wants a lower dollar because of the
Yeah.
debt problem and the
Yeah, I
interest rates.
wouldn't be surprised to see 8, at least.
Yeah.
Uh,
I have a lot of dollar. I'm actually bullish on the dollar, which is not good. Nice selling there on the 60 area. So some selling pressure on the Nasdaq contracts there.
Did you take it, Alex?
Huh? Did I take what?
The short?
No.
Well,
Yeah, Meta sold quite hard there, even Google. Oh, sorry, Alex.
No, you're good. I'm not really sure here.
wonder if this backtest to buy or not.
That's what I'm
Not sure here with
thinking.
Nvidia and tickers. I'm not sure, but the price chart looks good for possibly high. I don't like the CVD that much here.
Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of tickers here, but I kind of like the chart on Qs to continue
Yeah.
here a bit. Up at 45. That's alright, you go. That's a nice, very nice move. That's about 100 points.
Yep.
Maybe? No.
Yeah.
Oh, you had 70 entry. Never mind. Almost 100 points.
I'm still solid.
I think you were looking for 100 points.
I mean, my entry was 49. Could have been nice.
We said that you should hold a bit longer.
Yeah.
Try to do that.
Yeah,
Try
yeah.
to do that.
I should have
So-
trimmed and then just
Yeah,
took
yeah.
it.
At least trim and go for 26k, I think was perfectly fine there.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Yeah. It's always like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's definitely a day for Hugo. Get out of here, Hugo. Get out of here. While we're still working. Still
Let's do in a trade FOMC.
Oh shit.
Not the announcement, but
Oh, the announcement. Yes, of course.
Yeah.
pick the Nasdaq on the announcement. Yeah.
I'm not even trading today after yesterday's shitstorm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, I'm locked. Just trying to get that payout back and then work from there.
Okay. Nvidia sees some trying to hold above overnight high here. I guess that was a buy opportunity at the 20.
Yeah. Didn't retrace deep enough though for me to really long that.
Yeah.
We have that really large imbalance from that 5-minute candle. That's kind of
Yeah.
scaring me a bit.
Yep.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is tough. I don't really like trading the highs. You guys already
Yeah.
know that though.
ES though retested the flag structure there on that overnight high sell. Got a slightly deeper trace. That's a buying. Better structural wise, yeah. It got that deeper test too.
Yeah.
Yeah, Spy's retest was really nice. View up 90 MA, filled the 5-minute imbalance. That was nice.
No, it's. Yeah, I wouldn't trade the highs here either. No. Nope.
So Hugo, what size do you trade now if you had two micros runners?
He trades big boy shit now. He trade 10
Oh.
M&Q.
Okay. No 6. Okay.
That's nice.
Booyah.
Yeah, that's a good choice. Good, nice runner, but still taking that basic.
Mm. Yeah, I like 6. 6 is really good. It's like you could still close half, 2/3. Basically
Yep.
do the same scaling that I do.
Mm.
Even with 15.
I'm short from 68. Stop at 88.
Hmm.
Is your target 42 down here? Overnight high again?
I think
You
so.
touch?
The last high.
Yeah. See some selling pressure on the CVD on the Nasdaq contracts here. So if Nvidia not
Actually don't mind it.
mooning, maybe.
I don't mind a short
Yeah.
actually as well here.
Yeah.
For me, I want Nvidia to
The
get
high.
to that 189 previous hive day, and then I kind of would like to short then.
Mm. But
And
ES
it's
structural
high
wise
ES
and
didn't play with.
yeah, resistance on both
Yeah.
ES and NASDAQ was around here. I don't dislike that one either.
Like we could get a retest on 26k as well, because this last didn't
Yeah.
retest that much actually, like 26.
Yep, I agree.
But I kind of like I really, but that's my bias. Like I don't think we will break 26 110 today, but we'll see. I think it's gonna happen on news.
It's definitely.
Nvidia tapped into resistance there.
Break like 50, I think I'll move my stop down to like 79s or like the last the top of today. Kind of want some momentum down then.
Nvidia is not stopping on P-HOD here though, but yeah. Microsoft is breaking down a little from that 1 minute structure. One minute structure. Almost looks like I want to make one more high here, but I'm not sure. This could also back to slower. Yeah, looks good at least for 40 here. 7k on ES at least. Makes sense. See some selling pressure on the CUD on the NASDAQ contracts here, but getting swept out by the MNQs. We're losing Weave up here.
Yeah, we get one more burst down, I'll move stop break even. 68.
Oh, your entry is 68, right? That was a good
Yeah.
entry, bro. That was a good entry. Well done. I liked it. Even if we go higher here, I like that entry. Put a mean reversion trade back to
Stop is at 88 currently. We break this low here, 51, so I'm gonna move the stop break even. Kind of setting up a little bit for just a dump coming. Like it's a bit bait, like a bit long wicks. It could also come a push here because ES, if ES wants to take his high, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I think 88 stop is okay though.
Oh, it's valid.
I'm long here. Sorry, don't let me throw off your buys.
Oh,
No, no worries.
from where, Alex?
61.
Stop at 31 then.
Yeah. Ooh, why is the bot not working? 1 second here. Let's try that.
What are you seeing long based here? Looking for one
Yeah, looking for
one
one leg
push
higher.
more.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm not really seeing any weakness
Right.
coming in from Nvidia.
Yeah.
I think tickers here are kind of just backtesting here. I think we could range. I like the flag that's SPY is kind of setting up here.
I still think I like the range back to 40, 43 here though. If we just higher later. Not
Yeah,
sure.
entry might be a little bit iffy here. So I'm honestly debating
'Cause-
on possibly running a smaller entry or a lighter stop, but
Yeah.
rather than a full 30 points.
I have my stop at 67.50 break even. It looks like it wants to push here a bit.
We have placed weak high on Nvidia at 189.6 here. But we would have your stop then. Would
I'm
you
out.
have it like 37 or?
Yeah, 37, yeah. Right at that low, right? That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
35, 36,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
I actually think that's valid. I might do that. I'm actually
Yeah.
gonna do that. Gonna move my stop to 37 here. So
'Cause for
slightly
me,
restless. Sorry.
for me, 70 here is resistance for me. I have a line there on the Nasdaq, but I'm not seeing any deep selling yet. But I mean, Nvidia is strong. Microsoft trying to see supply on VWAP here.
Yeah, it just depends how you're viewing this, I think.
Yeah. I think both is kind of valid here. Go for mean reversion or one push higher. It depends. Based on ES, it looks good for higher, and Nasdaq I think looks good for that deeper retest down. But
I think R to R for lower is a bit better though, for me. We wouldn't really look for an extremely large move here, I don't think. Or maybe we would.
I'm back in short at 62, stop at 82.
Yeah, so risk here is only about 24 points actually, so it's actually not a lot. A little less than our normal. I think I'll look for 632 for this on QQQ. Okay, like, yeah, 26,100. Which isn't that much points. Only about 40 points actually, so it's honestly not a lot based on my entry. Yeah, maybe could have gotten a little bit better of an entry. Maybe 5 points better or so, but
Nvidia come up to previous week high there. Well, almost tapped it. Saw some selling right before it there, but Google saw some buying instead with Microsoft and Meta there. Wicked above the overnight high again on ES here.
yeah, I like the flag that's setting up in, but I'd really have to see a 5-minute close above there for a break.
I think it's gonna be hard to push here though overall. For me, yeah.
I wonder if stop at 49 is valid here. Playing the 1 minute structure, maybe not. 49, I think it's possible. I guess no, 37 gives us something
Yeah.
to work with.
There's the selling pressure coming on that overnight high we touch. With Nvidia selling some there. Want to see that close above the highs there in the 80s. We didn't. So that's higher. The I guess wicks here, but not super fan here with this reaction here. CVD selling here on both MNQ and NASA's contracts with Nvidia here, going for back to slower. We were entry short, by the way.
62.75.
Oh, the
Point 75.
62. Okay.
But I kind of think on the bigger picture that this could drop. Like I kind of want the retest of 26k, but shall see. Should I was 18 points in profit. Should maybe move it break even. I don't know. Moving stop to 75. Last wick top.
I think that makes sense on the short here. You counter trending here. This could still get bought up, but I'm not seeing the binance here yet, but could still continue this.
Yeah, would want to see direct buying here, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, this would have been an entry. I kind of prefer like a 50 or so,
Yep.
but I don't think it's 60 is a little bit high, but it's not terrible. I don't think.
Yeah, go for Apple, some other tickers here, showing some strength instead.
Yeah.
I'm not
Do
seeing the
that.
strength here on ES here. I think we're gonna get stopped here.
Yeah, we
Yes.
might put a
Seeing
get stopped there.
see selling pressure on Nasdaq contract also. Triple touch of the overnight high, couldn't break through. Seller stepping in. Nvidia reacted before previous week high there, close under P-HOD.
Yeah, I might put a retest this overnight high. Actually get wicked and still hold here, I think.
Yeah. This is the overnight high retest we had there though. For me, 40. Oh, was it 0.5 points on stopping me out? Yeah. Or even less. Yeah. I think that quarter area was a nice exit overall if you were short on the upside there. The retail is the highest probability. Then you would target 26k for the rest, I think. They're trying to hold it here on this overnight high backtest.
Yeah, Spy's flag is actually quite nice here.
Yep.
Kind of like the way it's setting up. Really nice range and kind of structure going on there. Yeah, maybe the entry's not that great anymore.
But it always like that when it goes lower, right? You always want a better entry.
Yeah.
Yep.
But the overnight high retest was quite valid for at least long if you're looking for this to hold and continue. That was actually a lot more reasonable because
I think I said I like the 40 area before. There. Because we had a 5-minute imbalance and the overnight high, right? Oh, sorry.
yeah, maybe should have waited for the retest with some tickers first before looking the long.
This looks weak, but I don't know if NQ wants to follow or not. We're at 7k almost though. Maybe want a touch of that and then we'll turn.
Yeah, Spy's losing structure a little bit here. See how we get. See what we do on the close. Yeah, not seeing any real buying pressure. Trying to hold it though. Need to see some more momentum off tickers.
Yeah, the buying pressure kind of went down, or like, a bit exhausted there.
I'm just gonna leave this. My stop is at 75. I'm gonna play with my kid a bit. Go back.
Yeah, you're gonna get tagged here. Maybe not.
Maybe you jinxed it, Alex. Maybe I jinxed it to be back. No kidding. See some buying there on the CVD.
Yeah, I think this could still flag on Qs anyways.
Yeah.
Setup is valid as long as we're above overnight high here, I think.
Yeah.
Or above our stop. Basically where our stop is at.
Just on higher time frames, I don't love it for a short, personally. But I mean,
It's kind of exactly what we wanted to see though. Direct buying off the overnight high. Set up in a
yeah.
flag. Tickers at support. We're kind of basing a little bit. Still not 100% valid yet for this long, but
Yeah. on the daily, it's like the 8th, 9th, 10th attempt or something at this level.
Yep. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I kind of want to see this actually get the break and get a nice daily close above here. That's exactly what we want to see here. That looks good. Nothing yet though. Want to see a 5-minute candle close above 65. It's a little bit better confirmation. But flagging here. Tickers look good here, and I think, in my opinion, holding at support. That was a bit scary, wasn't it? That was right at our stop. Carlos, I was about to send the same exact thing. That's funny.
Was my feeling too.
We're not out of it
No,
yet.
we are emotional mountains. Nothing is upsetting us. Philip says that. Yeah, that's funny. I'm kind of like the most emotional people here. But I can say I think I'm the most emotional person here
Yep.
that have good risk management.
Yep, I would agree.
I manually stopped on that big pull down when it popped onto 26,040, and then I re-entered at 26,040 basically. Once it kept pulling back down. But I still have the same stops.
Tired.
This is what we want to see, but we're still seeing the 4-hour resistance being held up for the time being. So we need to see momentum coming in.
Yeah, I think we're getting it though. It looks quite good.
Yeah.
Yep.
It looks
Yep.
it looks better. It looks better.
He said 10 points, guys. Trim, let's trim.
It's quite a nice move actually from the overnight high.
Yeah, no, it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
a lot better of a long spot than my entry, but oh well. What are you gonna do?
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, 5-minute candle, breaking out the highs. 5-minute breakout. Still waiting on SPY to clear overnight high, but we look for 100 here, right? Most likely. 5-minute flagpole target. Yeah, we should look for at least 100 here.
I kind of want to move my stop a bit higher here. Because if
it's
this
valid.
fails, we're gonna get nasty. Yeah, I think also. I think the
46?
49.
49?
46, yeah. 46, somewhere like that.
Should we do that?
Yeah, I'm gonna do 45, I think.
I'll leave it. I'm gonna leave it
Oh.
only because it's only 24 points. It's not really a lot. 46.
So this
Yeah,
is
we'll do
back to
15 point away.
resistance. We need to break. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's valid. I think we'll go here based on the close. It looks kind of good.
Yeah.
Nvidia pulling the highs.
Yeah.
High of day. It's all tickers at support. This looks good. We should get ready to trim here.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of points based on entry, unfortunately, but for the move that we got, I think it's valid to get ready to.
It's sold out. Yeah. Oh.
Or maybe we could just take full and just call it.
Yeah.
It's kind of a negative R though.
Yeah. But our entry was kinda bad.
Yeah, kind of sucks.
Sorry, Alex. No. It
It's
is a
okay.
nice move.
It's
Yeah.
okay. Nah. Yeah, I know entry wasn't the greatest. 61, yeah. That 50 or 40 would have been definitely a lot better for sure.
Yeah. We took a trim there when we put on the 80 there.
Yeah, I did not get to do anything yet. Let's see. I think maybe if we get
I
to
think
90.
it's valid. I think it's a valid to wait here for this real breakout. Nvidia looks good, but I'm gonna be honest. I needed $150 to take 2K more payout on one
Oh.
account because this has consistency rule.
Mhm.
So I kind of wanted to take that money just based on that.
Oh yeah,
here.
for sure.
And it was 1 hour for me. I had 58. It was 1 hour. So
Oh yeah, 58 entry. Nice. I know
yeah.
Carlos had 55, so yeah, you guys are up a
Oh
lot
my
in numbers.
god.
So
Yeah, but Carlos and me didn't get your trade yesterday, Alex. Your 50 points
yeah.
goat. Yeah.
I got a 54 entry, but that was before, or that was after I took a loss on the manual
But
stop.
this
So
is
I was
this is
making
nice when
time.
we see that buying up again.
So-
I don't think it's fully valid to take like I did there, but I have still left though. But
We'll see. I kind of just want to just wait for now.
Is this a level or is this a line I have on Nvidia? I don't know. 190 I think looks good for Nvidia here.
right at
Yeah,
loose
this
week high
momentum
here
here.
at
We should take some
189.7.
more. Okay, there we go. Nice. All right, I'm trimming here.
Oh yeah,
I'm out
90.
half.
Yeah, I took one more out. Yeah, I'm also out
Ooh, I
half
got
here.
that 90 exit. I'll
Wait,
take it.
wait,
Alright,
1 second. Wait second.
stop the
No,
bleeding.
I had 89.
Stop the break
Oh,
even.
Alex, look at that in the main chat. Look at that. Oh, my print screen was bad. No, Carlos made better than me also. Oh my god. No. I have one micro left. I'm just trading 3 MNQ by the way. So I took two, one off and then one off at 80. What did I say? 83, 82, and then one at 90. 89, I mean. Sorry. I have one more left. I have it in profit here. I don't want to see this sell.
Yeah, me too.
I have 65 top here.
Oh,
What
Which is
was
kind
the
of
entry?
signal. Oh really?
Was
Yeah,
the
because I wanted to have a bit more room for that 71 backtest. If you see it.
Yeah, yep, easy.
70. That's why I had it
65 stop for
slightly
me.
under.
What was the entry price?
61, not great, but
All right, gotcha.
yeah. Oh, me and Carlos with the
Yeah.
same fill. Very nice.
No. Always do better than me. Now I'm gonna go and get angry. No, I'm kidding. I'm not angry.
Now look for 100 here, I think. 100 as final TP. Maybe a slight draw above there if we actually get some nice momentum. Look at tickers here. They're actually starting to... Some look like they kind of want to
Yeah.
break out here a little bit.
I have 4 points more on ES here for my next area of resistance, which would be at least 20 points here on Nasdaq. That would be 104, 105, something like that. If you want to see it. Nvidia rejected the previous week high though here, but
Yep.
Apple, Microsoft, Meta, rest of the tickers looks quite good
look
here
good,
actually.
right? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I think it's potentially that Tesla do an H here, and that with Nvidia could see this turn a bit lower, but I
Nice
still
trade,
like this
Alex.
to 7 or 12.
Thank you. You took full
Yeah.
too?
So Alex,
Nice trade. Nice trade. Well, I got the exact same entry
Oh, did you?
like
Oh,
yours.
okay.
Yeah,
61.
yeah.
So, yeah, only 30 points on our first
So,
one.
but I got out at what? 87.75.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Closer to 30 points, but
Yeah.
But I am kind of sad that I'm doing 3 MNQs. There have been some so nice run up, and I have never done so low size.
no, but you're still getting out the payouts, though, right? That's the good thing.
Of course.
That's good.
I made a different change. So I take 1k off every time I get it on every 50k account. But that just leave me with 1.5 to 2k drawdown, which I think is slightly too little on 4MNQ. You'll be
Yeah,
at
I'd agree.
2.5 or so. So that's why when we sized down to 3, I took the payout and then decided to do 3 MNQ because I'm trading good amounts of accounts that I don't need to risk a lot. So based on risk management, as long as I do that, I should stay on 3. If I don't take one payout, I can do that and then increase to 4 again. But I think I kind of like 3 more than 4, based on that it's easier to scale out 2 and just have one off. It's slightly better runner than 1 out of 4. So that's why I like it slightly more. But so the argument is if I don't take a payout and I do 2.5k drawdown, I could do 6 MQs instead or get to 3k. But we'll see what I do.
I think it's worth taking the 1k out like that.
Yeah. Because it's not like 1k, right? It's 10
exactly.
1k.
Exactly.
Yeah. So and as I'm getting quite a lot of payouts from the firms, like I saw MFFU that I have again, the core, you get live with 2.5. So it doesn't matter if you have 200 in profits when they make you live or $10 million. You're gonna get 2.5 per account. So then I was thinking like, oh, but then I don't want to have the drawdown about there because I'm just gonna forfeit that money, right? If they call me live. I think they will get me to like quite fast when I taking payouts on 5 accounts like that. It could be like 2, 3, 4 payouts.
It's
So that's why
it's 10k, right? Don't they put you live of like 10k only on the core? I think, isn't it?
Sorry?
I think my fund future, like on most accounts, just the pros that they have higher tiers. I think they put you live off the 10k.
Sorry.
Yeah, this should be our push here to 105. Or wait, let's see ES. Oh, ES right to my resistance there. 712.
I took some more off.
I took the full here based on that.
Yeah, I took full there. I fried myself a little bit though because I entered at 66 and then I exited manually at 40 and then I re-entered at 40 again. So I just made back losses from the entire push.
Nice.
That's fine.
I could have been up $400. Oh.
Yeah. That's the way it goes.
It's fine, Rich. It's fine.
Could be a big move today, to be honest.
It's still a good day. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little day for us. Even Alex, this is just 30
Not
points, right?
Only 30 points.
I got 25 to 35 points, so I think I'm up 30. No, I'm up 32 points. Same as that.
30 is like we say it's little because we're used to like trimming at 30, but realistically, 30 points is actually quite decent. Just overall, even at full size.
There's this could end up pushing a lot more today.
Yep.
Yeah. We went right to my resistance here. If we overcome that, we have all-time high here.
All-time high. Look at SPY, all-time high.
Yeah.
Nice.
So this is resistance for me on SPY. We could still see
it could
ranging here before we see that pop to all-time high.
I think we're gonna pop up to all-time high, to be honest.
I think so too, but I mean it could reverse. I mean, but my bet would be that it goes all the way.
All-time high. There you go.
We'll see.
Oh wait, you mean SPY, Alex, right? I mean the
SPY.
ES all-time high here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
So
all
the
out here.
ES all-time high is The
That's
ES
crazy.
all-time high is up more than 20 points away from here on the wick. So that's why I said we should. I think we're gonna
23.
around here stop and then see, possibly range a bit and then possibly see higher, you know, or backtest here. Because based on the ES and SPY chart here, this is resistance to me based on the SPY all-time high here.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Nicely
So
done,
direct
Hugo.
reaction of
100
That's
points
Yeah.
for
great.
the day? Wow. The GOAT.
oh my god.
100 points.
We saw direct selling on that all-time high push on SPY
Yeah.
right when we
Yep.
got it there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my target there. So
Nice
that's
exit, Alex.
Oh wow, what an exit.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Could not get better.
Oh,
That's
98? Almost 2 ticks from top tick, and almost
Yeah.
2 ticks from stopping us out. Okay.
Yeah.
I gotta go early, guys. I got an interview in like an hour.
Alright.
Oh, good luck.
Good luck.
Thank you, man. It's at a dialysis company working from home, so I hope I get it too.
Oh, working from home. Oh, that's so nice.
I
I can
hope
only work
and
from
pray
home like 3 days a week for the job. I don't
that,
even
like,
know if I want to take it. Damn it.
no, I
I
totally
also want
will.
a job
So
like
I'm
that.
praying I get this.
Yeah. Yeah,
Do
you
you
can
want to take that
trade,
job,
right?
Thank
Philip?
you, man.
So I don't know. It's really it's you know, I worked as a manager on before, but this is bigger position than I had before. So the opportunity in the work